This is OnePlus Nord 4, and in today's video I will show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by checking whether your system is in the Do Not Disturb mode or airplane mode, or perhaps both. And if it is true or either of those modes is enabled, make sure to switch it off right away. And well, the quickest and easiest way to do that is to swipe downwards from the right half of your status bar, then unfold the full controls list or the control panel itself, and here look for the airplane mode icon and turn it off, and do the same for the Do Not Disturb mode as well. If that wasn't the case, you might want to launch your device's settings and try switching off the phone call enhancement features such as Wi-Fi call-in and VoLTE calls. So here, enter the mobile network category, then select the SIM card you're having those pesky difficulties with, and switch off the VoLTE calls and Wi-Fi calling options. And if that didn't help either, at this point I recommend that you contact your carrier or mobile operator directly, since I think, or I would assume, that the issue is laying on their end, not on yours. Or another small advice that you might want to try is to take the SIM card out and, well, wipe it clean. Make sure that it is free of any dust, debris, or other particles that may prevent it from properly functioning. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.